from up in corners of demise. Matter of my piece on the side. Find another mother, get another doctor, seek another healer. Cause this paranoia's flashing so blue. Tell me something true. Honesty and ill-favored policy, apparently hurt by things we don't respect, loved by things we soon detest. Go put your mind at rest. Tiresome, vivid consciousness. No more memories to chase. Everything I couldn't keep fade into reluctant sleep. Seclusion in the walls I rent. Let the silence aid the vent, but don't bury your head in the sand. Tell me how many people cried today, how many died today. Cause I'm coming out of my shell today. Got an invitation, another celebration, new infatuation. But we feel the spirits take their toll, take that call, then run the words of an aging soul. Time to get clean, renew self-esteem. Try to rectify this sad reveal, but you're still so young. Throw another layer on, fuel everything that they ever played on your 1 year older. World gets smaller, gets the grain to open up and feel a little taller.